In this video we see if this RC car is the strongest, best budget RC car there is. And we broke it. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars by selling on eBay, and I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. Alright, on location, zombies on the skate park, so we can do a couple of little speed runs first. But anyway, this is my Arrma Outcast 4S, and I'm running it on a Flurion LiPo. I've got an upgraded servo in there, dirt cheap, loads of power, link to that down below, and also this Fly Sky radio, because these out the factory, they've got a massive delay, so with this modification, there now isn't. Check out the speed and the power of that servo. Oh, tumble wumble. Oh no, what's happening? Alright, GPS mounted, let's see how fast it can go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! It's about the same, isn't it? Oh, 39 miles an hour. I was expecting more than that. I'm going to try again. Oh my God. Alright, briefly hit flat out there. Right, it's flat out. It's flat. Oh! Oh, 47. There you go. Standing backflips are easy, man. That's a nice landing on there. That didn't work. Uh-oh. Oh, that would have been nice. Uh-oh. Oh.
Summer nights are always mine.
What do you reckon? Backflip off of there, bounce off of that and land on wheels. Oh. No. Oh! That can't have done that chassis any good. Oh, it's alright. Oh! Yeah. That's my little GoPro. Oh! Uh-oh, killed it. Oh no. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more good one. Oh, still moving, isn't it?
Finish it.
Uh-oh. Alright, next victim. Uh oh, look. The cable got sucked into the prop shaft. Oh dear. Guys, this Arrma Outcast 4S is fast becoming one of my favourite sort of semi-cheap bashers. I mean, this is kind of, it's not the cheapest, but I mean, they're pretty cheap. And I know pretty much everything is plastic. Look, plastic shafts, plastic shocks, plastic chassis, plastic towers. I mean, like most of it, 99% of it is plastic. But, I mean, it takes a beating. I mean, look at it. That chassis took a couple of nasty hits. It took a few horrible landings. And it's good. And the only part that broke is actually a metal part. And this part here, I've got these here actually, so it's not a big deal. Luckily, it's got enough of the thread still poking out so I can pull that out and replace it. So all in all, I mean, I can't grumble. I mean, out of the box, the servo sucks a little bit on these, a little bit on the slow side. So I put in a quicker servo. This is a dirt cheap one. There's a link down below if you're interested in what that servo is. Loads of speed, loads of torque. Also, the stock radio that this thing comes with, I'm not a fan. I mean, these are really slow. There's a big delay when you pull the trigger, and that makes it very difficult to drive, especially when you're trying to control the throttle and brake in the air. That massive delay is sort of, anyway, with me, it made me crash it a lot. So I upgraded it to this Fly Sky radio. I mean, this is not the cheapest, but I mean, guys, it's definitely premium quality. A lot of metal parts on here. You can use it left-handed, right-handed, colour screen. I did a review on this before. I'm going to put a link to that up there. But this, combined with a servo, has, I think, possibly made this the ultimate budget beater. Anywho, I've got some new toys I've got to play with soon. Got a little nitro there. Oh, by the way, guys, this thing is pretty big. So this here is a Traxxas TRX4. And if you compare the size, yeah, it's very big. In case anybody's wondering, this is what it is here. Check out these alloys. Anyway, there's going to be a video about that soon. But don't expect to see any beating with this. I'm going to look after this one. This one's there to sort of look nice, sit on the shelf and look pretty. And just try and do a little bit of scale crawling with it and not destroy it. Also, I'm going to make a start on this Arrma Creighton version 4. I've got a load of M2C parts here. Super strong chassis. I've got some other parts here from custom RC upgrades and also from Just Bash It RC. So I'm going to try and build one of the ultimate bashers what there are. Still not sure if it's going to beat the X-Max, but we'll see. Oh, subscribe. And if you thought we went hard on this thing, then you wait until what we got in store for that. I took this along on the same day, but there's so much footage. This is going to be in a separate video. And this thing here, oh my God, guys, this took an absolute and utter beating. Look at the tyre. Completely destroyed the tyre. I mean, this thing took some abuse. Anyway, that's enough waffling for today. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Give us a thumbs down if you suck. And I'll see you over on one of these other videos in a minute.